Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Edifier W280NB neckband earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this factory reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to Bluetooth or if they're not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, they keep disconnecting. Any kind of bugs like this that you're trying to fix can very often be done with a factory reset. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to set these up as a new set of earphones and just wipe all of the settings, all of the pairing history and everything like that off of it so that you can set it up new, we can do this really easily. We just need to make sure these earphones are powered on and they're not connected to anything on Bluetooth or not even trying to connect. So you're better off just turning the Bluetooth off on whatever devices you have so that you can do this without that interfering. And what you're going to do is you're just going to come in once you have that, you're just going to simultaneously hold the volume up and volume down buttons for about 5 seconds, just keeping an eye on this little LED light, and it will blink 6 times in green and then turn off when the reset's completed, at which point you can just let go of the plus and minus, and it's now reset, it's now brand new. Then you can just turn it on and set it up like you would if you were just taking it out of the box.